Hello students, in this session of trigonometry, you will be learning how to do horizontal transformation without using the graphs. And the trick what I am going to teach you in this session, you will be able to use it in problem solving when you will be solving questions of your textbook or questions from past papers. Okay, so let's quickly start. So, so let's take a triangle, right angle triangle. It's A, B and C. And if this angle is theta, this angle will be 90 minus theta, right? Because this is right angle triangle 90 degree. So if you take sine theta, if you write sine theta from here, the sine theta will be opposite over hypotenuse, which is AB over AC, right? And cos theta will be adjacent over hypotenuse, which is BC over AC, right? Now, if you take this, which is 90 minus theta, so if we write sine of 90 minus theta, so sine of 90 minus theta, which is opposite here is BC, so BC over hypotenuse is AC, and cos of 90 minus theta is equal to AB, which is the adjacent here, if you are taking this angle, so AB over AC. So if you analyze this, what you can see that AB over AC and AB over AC, it means, can we say from here that cos 90 minus theta, which is AB over AC, is also equal to sin theta? So can we say that cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta? This is the proof. And sin 90 minus theta, which is BC over AC, is equal to cos theta, right? So we can say that sin 90 minus theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this is the proof. What does it mean? That if you take sin 30 value, so sin 30 will be the same as cos 90 minus 30, which means sin 30 value will be the same as cos 60 value. Okay, you can take another example. So if you take cos 15, cos 15 is the same as sin 90 minus 15. So cos 15 will be the same as sine of 75 degree, like that. You can analyze them. You can use the calculator and check their values. Now we are going to learn conversion of trigonometric ratios. Conversion of trigonometric ratios. So we'll be focusing only on 180 or 360. So see how we get the conversion. Sine 180 minus theta. So sine 180 minus theta, if you're writing, what does it will be equal to in terms of sine theta, cos theta, like that. So sine 180 minus theta, it will be in the second quadrant, right? And in the second quadrant, sine is positive. So positive, and as it is 180, sine will remain sine. So it will be sine theta. Sine 180 minus theta will be the sine theta. As it is cos 180 minus theta, cos is negative in the second quadrant, so it will be minus cos theta. Tan 180 degree minus theta. So as tan is negative in the second quadrant, so negative tan theta. So these are the way you are converting the trigonometric ratios based on the quadrants. You need to consider the quadrants, right? So here if we write in the third quadrant, so like sine 180 plus theta, so we'll get, it's in the third quadrant, sine is negative, so it will be minus sine theta, cos 180 plus theta. So in the third quadrant cos is negative, so it will be minus cos theta, tan 180 degree plus theta. So I'll get, as tan is positive, so we'll write plus tan. Let me give an example to make you understand better. So for example, if you want to find out the value of sine 120 degree, sine 120 is the same as sine 180 minus 60, right? So it is like 180 minus theta, theta is 60 here, so which will be the same as sine 60. Sine 120 value is the same as sine 60 value. So let's say if we want to write tan 240 degrees. So tan 240 we can write as tan 180 plus 60 degree, which is the same as 180 plus theta. Theta is 60 here, so we can write as it is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is positive, so positive tan of 60. Tan 240 value will be the same as tan 60 value, which is root 3. You can use a calculator and check. Tan 240 value will be the same as tan 60 value. So these tricks will help you to simplify. Sometimes in exam they ask the question, what is tan 180 minus x? So you need to write as it is in the second quadrant, it will be negative tan x. Okay. Now see how we can write in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. So we can write sine 360 degree minus theta. Sine 360 degree minus theta, as it is in the fourth quadrant, because it is less than 360. So as sine is negative in the fourth quadrant, we'll write negative sine theta. What is cos 360 minus theta? So as cos is positive in the fourth quadrant, we'll write positive cos theta. Tan 360 degree minus theta. As tan is negative, so negative tan theta. What does it mean? That if we want to write down cos 300 degree is the same as cos 360 minus 60, and cos 360 minus 60 is like cos 360 minus theta, so it will be the same as cos theta, so cos 60. So cos 300 value is the same as cos 60 value, and which is equal to 0.5. Okay, so these are the things which will help you to simplify, but as you have calculator you can directly get this value. Okay, but this method is will be useful to find out. This method will be useful for you to make you to understand that cos theta value is the same as cos 360 minus theta. That's why in the while solving the problems we do, once we get the answer in the first quadrant, which is 60, we do the next quadrant will be 360 minus 60, which is 360 minus theta. So that's why you were getting over there as 300. So just make sure that you understand these things better. The only thing what you need to keep in mind here is which quadrant it is lying, and we'll check the quadrant and we'll put the negative or positive sign. Okay, hope this is clear. Now in the next video, hope this concept is clear, and now you are ready to solve the problems on